My name is Natalie Bodle and I'm a professional genealogist and also a tour guide. I remember as a teenager sitting with an elderly uncle and drawing a family tree. Then years later I decided to do some research myself and my interest in the subject just grew. My main business is focused on doing genealogy research for customers from around the world. I do walking tours at Ballymena and I also provide bespoke genealogy tours that allow visitors to walk in the footsteps of their ancestors. Whenever people get in touch with me to do research, it can be for a range of reasons. It might be because they don't have the time, knowledge or experience to do the research themselves, or because they've come up against a brick wall and they need specific help, or because of distance they can't access the documents held in our archives. I have a form that I ask people to complete, and when they return it to me, that enables me to undertake a free assessment and then provide them with the quote for the work. If people book me to do a genealogy tour, they may have done the research themselves and they would like an itinerary built around the information that they already have. Or sometimes they need further research undertaken to find out where those places associated with their ancestors might be. Each ancestral tour is a unique experience because no two families are the same. For visitors to be able to visit the church their ancestors were married in, or the graveyard they're buried in, or the little cottage where they were born, is a wonderful and an unforgettable experience. It's a journey that never seems to end because you're never really finished when you do your family history, and that's what I love about it.